3, 2, 1. Have fun.
We're in Skagway. I keep walking into doors. We're in Skagway, so we're getting ready to leave on our excursion, and then we'll be gone for like 6 hours. Going on our excursion, but they're over here arguing about Game of Thrones.
Husky puppies. Husky puppies.
We're gonna see husky puppies. I think that's the only thing I'm looking forward to.
And a bear. Maybe a bear.
No, I'm okay with the bears. They wrote it back. I'm okay with the bears, but yeah, we're going on our excursion. It's a 6.5-hour excursion. We paid like $103, and it's supposed to start at 9:45.
And it is
9:30. We're in Skagway, if I didn't mention. Good morning. Bye. See you at the bus. So we made our first stop here, and it's so pretty. You guys can see. But yeah, it's our first stop of many for our 6-hour tour. Good luck.
They grind away the rock beneath them, creating glacial silt, basically just ground up granite. Now that glacial silt is so fine that as the ice melts, it'll carry it downhill, and because it's so fine, it'll never ever settle out of that water. It stays indefinitely suspended in it, and it acts as an insulation layer and kind of a reflective layer.
So we just got to the part that has the puppies. You can either choose to eat inside or outside in one of these things, which I'll show you guys when I get out to get something to drink. But they've given us chicken, coleslaw, and a potato. And then water, I think, is included. There are a lot of bugs for sitting outside, but what do you expect? It's really nice. I'll let you. I saw a bear. Didn't get it on video, but I saw a bear. So. Can you come in and get This side is boring. Huh? That side has more wildlife.
again.
they also make it just smell like poop so it's more realistic? Or is it just me that thinks it smells like poop?
They probably really stuffed animals, so it's like.
No, yeah, he said that.
Oh look, a weasel.
He said they're supposed to be real. Are those what those look like up close? Because they look really tiny from far.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's them?
That's huge.
Nah, these must be like bigger ones that he just happened to find.
Look at these bears though. Smells so great in here. Oh wow.
I'd rather not.
That's why it smells like poop, because of you.
And a pony. Hi, Spirit. Spirit, do you spit? Please don't spit at me. I'm nice. We can be friends. Hi. Hi.
Oh,
Hi. Hello. Hi. You want to smell me? Huh? Don't bite. Nice. Nice. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Don't get.
that's not a donkey.
Good boy.
Little Sebastian.
Ouch. You kind of walked there. No?
He's like,
Nice.
don't touch me, it's hot.
All right, Mama.
Little Sebastian.
We're gonna go see the ponies. Oh, I said ponies. Sorry. We're gonna go see the puppies. But on your way to see the puppies, there are lots of other furry animals for you to interact with. Like this one is just out by himself, while this one is in there. Buttercup and Ringo, what's up? See them, it's too hot to go sledding today, so they have them under the sprinklers to keep cool. It's a lot of doggies. It's really pretty.
That's Buttercup and Ringo.
Hurry up! Oh my goodness, this is so Christian.
Yes, I don't see why not.
Hello. We're just chilling. Hi. How are ya? Now I'm gonna have puppy fever when I go home.
Okay, you don't want to.
What happened?
Okay, all right.
He's like, I'm done.
It's hot, isn't it?
It's hot. They want to hide.
It's hot for them. Yeah.
He
Yeah,
goes
look.
right back
Yeah.
underneath into the shade.
Cooling, yeah.
Yeah, there's a 100% way to tell with the black bears. If you can get them to roll over, the males have a little indicator tab on the lower side. There are two other ways to tell, but they're not 100%. They're just most likely this or most likely that. If you can look at their paws, the males have wider paws than the females do typically. The females will have skinnier paws on them. And then also, if you can ever see them urinate, it's a pretty good inclination. If they urinate, seriously, if they urinate kind of towards the front of them, they're male, because you know how that's angled, right? And then the females, it's either going to be straight down or kind of at the back a little bit. So I think we're going to hand this one over to Matt, if you guys don't mind, and kind of roll our dice and see what we can find on the way back.
At Emerald Lake. Oh my god, so pretty. The end of our tour here in Skagway, which is our last stop, or the last stop where you can get off the boat. So tomorrow is Glacier Day, another glacier. I think it's Hubbard Glacier, something like that. And then it's 2 days of sailing. So we're going home, and I'm sad because I don't want to go back to work because work sucks. Fucking work. Imagine if I call out the first day back from work just because I'm not mentally or physically prepared to go back to work. I start work on Tuesday, and we come back Monday or Sunday night? Oh, Saturday. Ooh, so I get 2 days before I have to go back to work, which is depressing. But yeah. So that is it, guys. I think later we're going to dinner at Chop's Grill, and we might have to stop at guest services if we can't book a third dining experience. Not that we couldn't, but because everything was so fully booked that we probably would have never had the chance to even get it. We got Chop's Grill at a super convenient thing when we were at guest services. If not, there was like no openings or whatever. So Chop's Grill for dinner, maybe the hot tub or the pool later, and then more drinking. But I'm gonna just sign off now just in case I don't see you guys again. Bye.
Trade day, and LeBron went out, and then everyone was just like, nobody wanted to play.
Yeah, they was depleted.
He was talking about getting traded, but they was in 4th seed.
Yeah, I'm aware.
The Knicks just lose. James Dolan is bad, and on top of that, New York media is like the harshest media.
No, it's too late. You're gonna mess up the flow with it.
This is what, 9 o'clock, like 9 p.m. looks like in Alaska. It's fucking crazy. I thought it was like 6, and I feel so tired because I'm so old. But it's, look guys, 9:03. That's crazy. Look at that. It's so bright out. Our tour guide earlier was saying that it could be 11 or 1 a.m. and it was like during the summer, and we never have like daylight like this.